Hello, welcome back. We are going to continue from where we ended last time on substitution. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and click the like button so that anytime I upload a new lesson, you can have it and watch it. All right. So, last time we took some examples on substitution, and here I want us to look at another example, but this one is slightly different from the one we saw. Let's look at this example. We are given pi as 22/7 and g as this. We are told, so you see this one, for this case, it involves equation. We are supposed to find f when f is equal to that 7 pi g squared over 4. How do we solve this question? All right, so back to my board. So solution. We are given pi as 22/7, g as 3, and we are told to find f when we are given f as 7 pi squared pi g squared over 4. So it's a matter of substitution, just as the topic depicts. So 7 times the pi has been given to be 22/7. The g is squared. So I square it, I divide everything by 4. So if I move on, we are going to get this 7 and this 7. The 7 here and the 7 here will divide, and it will be 1. So we will get 1 times 22/1. In other words, some people normally say it cancel. Right. I don't want to use the word cancel. I'll say they will divide. So 22/1 is 22. 1 times 22 is 22. So everything on top is going to give me this over 4, right? And let's look at 22 times 9. What do we get for that? So 22 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Remember 1? So 19. 198. That is what we will get. When we multiply 22 by 9, we get 198. So here, we get 198 out of 4. And if we are to continue, we are going to get, let's try and see if we can cancel out with the divide. 2 goes here, 2. 2 goes into 4, 2. And 2 goes into the numerator. 2 goes into 19, 9, making 18. Remember 1. So we bring the 1 here, making 18. And 2 times 2 divided by 18 is also 9. So we are going to get 99 out of 2. 99 out of 2. So we will say that, can conclude by saying that when pi is 22/7 and g is 3, then our f is 99/2. I hope you get it. So you see, this is slightly different from the one we did previously. Here we were given an equation, so it's a matter of just fixing in the values. All right. Let's look at one more example, then we end here. We are given d as half and q as -5. And we are supposed to find the value of t when t is equal to 2d squared over q. All right. So just like what we did for the first one, we go through the same procedure, but the values and the equations are not the same. So solution. All right. So we are given d as half, q as -5. and we are told to find t. So when t is what? 2d squared over q. So how do we do this? It's going to be 2d half squared over q. Q is -5, right? So if we have half squared, this is the same as 1 squared over 2 squared. And this gives us 1 over what? 4. Okay. So what do we get? We get 2 by 1 over 4 all over -5. I hope you are following. So we get the next one. The 2 multiplies the numerator. We get 2 over 4 all over -5. Good. So I can continue to say that this is the same as half. 2 divided by 4 is half. Okay. -5. And this is half divided by, I can rewrite it as that. So that here we can continue to say that this is over 1, okay? Yes, the division here is what I have converted to division sign over here, all right? Yes. So we will say that this is the same as half times 1 over -5. And this gives us 1 over -10. We can beautify it and write it as this. Right. So we can now conclude that when d is half and q is -5, then our t is -1 over 10. I hope you have enjoyed the class, this lesson. Yes. So take note of this and see you in our next lesson. Thank you. Bye.